Real-world assets are about to be pulled out of old dusty filing cabinets and dropped directly onto the blockchain. And the XRP ledger is already built for this. We're talking about tokenized real estate, treasuries, commodities, carbon credits, invoices, and even private equity, all represented one-to-one on-chain and able to move globally in seconds. Unlike hype chains that were designed for memes and speculation, the XRPL was engineered from day one for settlement, compliance, and scale. Native tokenization, low fees, deterministic finality, and built-in DEX functionality makes it the perfect rail for institutions that need speed and regulatory clarity. When assets are tokenized on the XRPL, ownership becomes programmable, divisible, and instantly transferable. There's no middlemen, there's no settlement delays, and there's no paper games. This is where the flip really happens, y'all. Banks, funds, governments, and corporations, they don't want volatility. They want efficiency. Tokenizing real-world assets on the XRPL lets them unlock liquidity from traditionally illiquid assets while maintaining control, auditability, and compliance. Imagine global real estate trading 24/7, treasuries settling in seconds instead of days, or commodities moving across borders without correspondence banks bleeding fees. XRP becomes the neutral bridge asset that powers that flow. Not the product being sold, but the invisible engine making everything move. This isn't a future use case. It's the in-game infrastructure being quietly wired right now. And most people won't understand it until the system is already live.